This is what you'll get in your kit, is the bracket for the bar itself with a knob to tighten up the sensor, the screw for the bracket, an Allen key for the screw, and this is your photoelectric sensor. So to start off is to grab your bracket, ensure that the collar here is facing the outside of the machine. Put the screw in the side. It's a little bit fiddly for fingers. Just nip it up with the Allen key. It's nice and firm. Now take your bar, make sure you undo the knob, slide the bar in, just firm up your knob a little bit. Orientation sensor with the sensor placed at the top, into the bar, face it towards your work, and then you've got the plug into the machine, and that's it.